Hello everyone, I am Preeti. Today I am talk about JavaScript's overview. Let's see the first slide. What is a JavaScript's overview? The JavaScript is lightweight, interpreted programming language with object-oriented capabilities that allows you to build the interactivity into otherwise the static HTML page. The interpreted programming language, that means the JavaScript language is executed line by line. JavaScript is lightweight. That means it's designed to be easy to use, quick to load, and efficient in execution. Also, the design for creating the network-centric application and complementary to and integrated with Java. Also, the open and cross-platform. The JavaScript is cross-platform. That means it can be run on various platforms and devices, making it highly portable. It runs in web browser and can also be executed on the server side. Now, see the client-side JavaScripts and server-side JavaScripts. First is a client-side JavaScripts is the most common form of the language. The script should be included in or referenced by an HTML document for the code to be interpreted by the browser. It means that the web page is need no longer be static HTML but can include a program that interact with the user, control the browser, and dynamically create the HTML content. Next is a server-side scripting. A server-side scripting is a database is involved while transforming data to the client. A server-side scripting is a need to store the information to the database. Now see the advantages of JavaScript. First is less server interactions, and second is immediate feedback to the visitors. That means they don't have to wait for a page reload to see if they have forgotten to enter a something. And next, advantages is increase the interactivity. That means you can create the interfaces that react when the user hovers over them with a mouse or activate them with the keyboard. Next is the richer interfaces. Now see the limitations with JavaScripts. We cannot treat the JavaScripts as a full-fledged programming language. It lacks the following important features. And also there are so many limitations with JavaScript: single-threaded, client-side security, browser dependency and inconsistency, limited file access, lack of type safety, performance issues with large applications, and also a JavaScript does not have any multi-threading or multi-process capabilities. Let's see a JavaScript development tools. One of JavaScript's strengths is that expensive development tools are not usually required. You can start with a simple text editor such as a notepad. Also, there are so many development tools to make our life is simpler. Various vendors have come up with very nice JavaScript editing tools. Here are some listed: Microsoft Front Page, Micromedia, Dreamweaver MX, Micromedia Homesite 5, LDEX software in free JavaScript editors, etc. Now see the JavaScript syntax. A JavaScript code is written inside a script HTML tags. And also the script tag can be placed anywhere within you a web page, but placing is inside the head section tab is performed. The browser is start the interpreting all the code a JavaScript when is encounter the script tags. Now see the JavaScript's tag attributes. There are two important attributes. First is language and second is type. The language attribute is a specify the scripting language using the JavaScript. However, this attributes is outdated and no longer recommended in modern HTML. Also, the type attributes is indicate the main type of the scripts. The value of a text JavaScript is recommended and widely used to specify the JavaScript code. In this slide, see your first JavaScript scripts. It displays the hello world using the document dot write. The code is uses outdated practices such as the obsolete language is equal to JavaScript's attributes and HTML is comments a tag. HTML is a comments a tag to hide a code from older browser and the discourages document.write method. Let's see the case JavaScript is case sensitivity. JavaScript is case-sensitive language. This means the language is keyword, variables, functions name, and any other identifiers must always be typed with a consistent capitalization of letters. Also, in this slide, the note the case sensitivity is care should be taken while writing your variable and functions name in a JavaScript, etc. In this slide, see the comments in JavaScript. JavaScript is support C styles and C++ style comments, and also any text between these start a single line comments, and also this is used for a multi-line comments, and this may span a multiple lines. A older browser required the HTML style command tag C and for the compatibility, but this is no longer necessary in modern JavaScripts. Also, the JavaScript is not recognized by, so it should be written as this type. This is example number 2 of the JavaScripts. Thank you.